So if you're ever wondering how I get the perfect coloured background for the subject I'm shooting, you might have noticed in my work a lot of it is very monochromatic in that if it's a red can of Coke, we've got a red background. If it's a blue can of lemonade, we've got a blue background. And that is part of my style. It's not everyone's style, but sometimes you need to get that perfect coloured background, and Savage or Colorama or Universal, whoever it may be that stocks your paper rolls, doesn't make it. And this is something I often have as a problem. Likewise with, you know, when you get the nice little prop boxes and the nice little staging and you want it to be a certain colour to match something perfectly or to contrast perfectly, it can be tricky. Anyway, Datacolor sent me this and I was a little bit confused because it's for decorators. And they sent me this a long time ago, and Datacolor, I'm sorry for not making this video sooner because I have been using and abusing it. It runs alongside an app, and basically all you need to do is you place this device up against a subject, press a button, and it gives you the exact color reference. You can go down to B&Q, Homebase, wherever it may be, and have that perfect color of paint mixed up, and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed that very short video, but hopefully it's of use to you. See you soon. Bye-bye.